Well, you guys are in for a big treat here in about 2 seconds. I just wanted to say this is the first time I've ever done anything like this. And I usually will not put myself out there, but I figured, and I say it in my end of the video, that if I'm struggling with this part of dieting, there's a lot of people struggling too. So you know what? Get prepared, get up, do this with me. It's fun. It gets your blood pumping, and it's easy to do. So get going. Let's see how you guys do. Let me know. And all right, I'm a little embarrassed. I'm a lot embarrassed, but all right, here we go. You ready? Are you ready to see what I'm talking about? All right, so welcome to Club Grammy. Here we go. Woo! Okay, are you ready? Get up off of your chair, get up off of the couch. Let's do this. Are you ready? Do it with me. I am completely out of breath. I am super warm. I need some water, but guess what? I did it. That was 4 minutes. That was a long 4 minutes. My heart is pumping. It means it's working. I did not walk 5 miles. I did not ride a bike. I haven't lifted any weights, but you know what? The cardio kicked in. It was fun. I hope you get up and do it with me. And it tells you to the right, to the left. Anyway, let me know if you want more of this. Me acting a complete idiot fool. But again, I don't know if this is gonna work. I just know that I have to do this, and if I have to do this, I'm sure there's many other people sitting right here in this chair, and I want you to get up out of the chair. No matter what age you are, you can do this. Get up out of the chair, and let's do it together, right? All right, so I don't know if YouTube will let me do this or not, because I don't know if there's gonna be a copyright, whatever. We will find out. If not, I will have this posted on my Facebook group. So if you want to see, this grandma doing her thing, then come on over, all right? Anyway, so I just wanted to say, also, if anybody out there has any nasty comment about how I was dancing, how I was moving, if I looked silly, if I didn't look silly, you know what? Keep it to yourself, because I don't want to hear it. I am trying to improve my life, and I'm trying to help others be able to get up and get mobile. So I'm gonna go grab some water. I'm extremely thirsty. I'm extremely warm. Did not realize that I was gonna work up like I did. I might have to go change before I go to work. Anyway, take care, everybody. I will see you guys soon. Mwah. Bye.